today we're here at SM Downtown. This afternoon to check out what's going on, what's trending, and what's worth visiting. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Kanina, marami tao. Kaya ganyan, kaya nag-meet the family, students, and barkadas. Perfect pang chill after school or work. The weather's a bit sunny, cloudy, rainy, but they that didn't stop anyone from coming up. As usual, super linis sa malamig sa loob, perfect kept ng init sa labas, abangan sa pero welcoming, and daming sale banners everywhere. Of course, may music pa rin sa SM na mapapagod na vibes habang maglalakas. So, that's it for today. Quick lakad here at SM Downtown. Sobrang saya mag-ikot kahit simple nakaka-relax. If you want more mall vlogs like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know din kung saan yung gusto mo visit next time. See you next vlog. Ingat lagi guys. Here at the SM Downtown as person October 2000. So dito po ako sa Nyanghong Nails and Toes. Shout out to the Potato Corner. Guys, kung gusto nyo po, punta kayo sa Player Video and the next game, Gen Game. May VR na pala sila. Yun na guys. Makain mo na ako. Nagugutom ang vlogger niyo. Ano kayang ulan natin? Shout out to Larina sa Alars tayo guys, kaya PM1 na lang tayo. Kaya po Abo, tingnan nyo guys, ito na. Ayan, salit. Gusto niya po yung bathroom ng ganda. May gaming na sila, 40 super years. So mga try. Pero 100 pesos so. Gusto. Try natin. Diba na po tayo? Holy. Ano mo? Jowa mo. And guys, ito na po ang sale. Pag gusto niyo po bumili ng cellphone gadget, pwede din mag-zumba dito. Shout out to Samsung gadget. Samsung. This is cellphone. The rest and go. Let's go. Tapos may bagong SM Store, Nation, Phantom guys. Karaoke sana ako pero puno ang tao. great superheroes. Shout out to that. Magkaray. Ayan, pupunta tayo sa second floor. Events, shop, lock bars, clients, Dunkin', may earphones, there's a Green Turks, there's a lot of Kiki Ramen delivery. So, buy two for fun. There's one kiosk. Kiosk too. And I bet. Shout out to Russell Goat. There's a queen. Tayo na natin. Kahit ko rin yun, no? Crispy chicken wrap.
May cover na po na po.
Wala. Eh, yung hotdog wrap.
Beef and chicken pitarang ka po. Okay.
120.
80 pesos po.
Yung 80.
Pitarang.
Kasi yun na lang.
Which is
Stop kasi yun.
beef or chicken?
Ha?
Beef or chicken?
Chicken. May ano kayo, soda?
Beef tan na.
Yung can? Wala yung ano, yung cup? Sprite na lang.
1/4